local home repair company. Local area quality home maintenance and repairs. Busy schedules can make both major and minor home repairs hard to get to. When your growing to-do list looks overwhelming and unmanageable, call us. One call and your local home maintenance and repair problems are solved. No more home repair headaches. Professional, safe, reliable and on time, every time. That's our commitment. We will complete all major and minor home repairs in a quick, efficient manner, making your to-do list manageable, allowing you to spend your time doing what you enjoy most. Let us get your local home repair, installation, maintenance or odd job quickly checked off your list. We perform residential, commercial and light industrial maintenance and repairs in the local and surrounding area. One simple call is all it takes. Attics, bathrooms, carpentry, decorative doors, electrical and plumbing, energy efficient, flooring, garages, kitchens, odd jobs, outdoor painting and staining, windows, repairs, patios, remodels, privacy fencing, additions, landscaping, outdoor kitchens, general maintenance. Get all the local home repair help you need with the reliable professional handyman services that are trusted by many satisfied customers. Whether you need a little handyman help or a lot, our professionals will arrive ready to work with every tool necessary to get the entire job done right and on time the first time. We know that once you hire our handyman services, you'll be a customer for life. Thank you for your business and your trust.